In the world of earbuds, Bluetooth headphones, any of these things, it is getting really, really tight, folks. And some people and some companies are really going to have to step their game up because you have companies like SoundPEATS who offer quality sound at a pretty decent price, to be honest. So I've been using these all weekend. Tested them out. I hate to use the term test because I really was going to follow up in a week or so, but all I did was put out an unboxing video of these, and I felt like I owed you a little bit more. So using these all weekend, you're going to get some quality sound. I mean, we're talking about SoundPEATS. The name says it all. These are the Air 4s. And to be honest, how do I say this? Everything is already really good from SoundPEATS. So I think this is just a small generational boost to do a little bit more to keep the train going, to make sure you keep consumers. Because how can you top yourself at some point or another? Like you have to, you're gonna have to do something to push forward to change the innovation thing. So with that being said, it's gonna be hard for SoundPEATS to compete with themselves. And Jay, what do you mean? Well, I mean, they've already got a lot of quality earbuds out. And so it's difficult to keep generating a buzz. And ultimately, this is what we're looking at here. This is SoundPEATS continuously generating a buzz. Now, SoundPEATS, the name sound. Let's talk about sound. I can't really speak on battery too much because they're still fully charged, even though I've used them. They're not going to drain off battery all that quickly. These are going to give you at least 26, 27 hours, maybe even 30 hours on a single charge with the case and earbuds alone. So speaking about sound quality, what you're going to get is from these little buds, you're going to get premium sound. Noise canceling is something that they kind of pride themselves on. This is active noise canceling on here. It's a hybrid active noise canceling, but it is active noise canceling. And what you're going to feel and hear from these is your sound around you you will be able to isolate your music with these earbuds. But they don't have the rubber tips. So it's not going to sound, it's going to sound a little different. It sounds different to me in my experience. It sounds different from the other earbuds with A and C that have a rubber tip on them. Basically, those versions of earbuds that use AFC are very strong. And so these, I don't feel that sucking feeling in the ear when you're using these, where it really feels like you're sealing off your sound. But what I do notice is that the sound quality on these is premium. It's a quality sounding set of earbuds that are just going to stand the test of time. Only thing that's going to happen with these more likely is you're either going to lose one or you're going to, the battery will deplete in the next 5, 6, 7, 8 years. I don't know how long these batteries will last. And honestly, I've got earbuds that are really old and I still charge them up and use them. They still last for a long time, but earbuds today, again, from SoundPEATS, this is just a generational bump here. This is the next thing. And there's a lot of technology that goes into earbuds this small because they are small and they are very nice. So when it comes to sound, you're going to love these. You're going to like how these sound. There's no guarantee. Well, I can't guarantee you'll love how they sound, but I can guarantee you that they sound great. Are they going to be your best premium sounding earbuds? No, these are $80 and the price doesn't dictate them being bad. It just means that in the $80 price range, there are a ton of things, even from SoundPEATS, that sound phenomenal. So sound quality, the genre of music on these. Also, I listen, it depends on what device you're listening to them on. Also, that's something to take note of. I can guarantee you that you will love how these little earbuds sound. And they are small, man. They are a nice small set of earbuds. I think you're really going to enjoy them. Now, phone calls, that is something that I think I like to focus on. Phone calls. Phone calls are great on here. I don't think you're going to find a scenario where, obviously, if you want to get the best sound for any earbuds, you put both earbuds in, I would say. That gives you the best quality sound, especially if you're trying to isolate yourself from other sounds around you and you're looking for the noises to be canceled out. And for a phone call, these are going to be phenomenal. They're going to be great. The only thing I really need to follow up on is battery to see how long they actually last in a later video. But phone calls on these are great. Music on these are really good, really solid. Nothing, again, at this point in the game, folks, not even just with SoundPEATS, it's hard to report a bad set of earbuds. It is. It's hard to report a bad set of earbuds. So as long as phone calls are crystal clear, and because sometimes you're talking on earbuds or just anything other than the phone itself, a person can tell and they'll start saying, you sound hollow or you sound far away. You sound like you have me on speakerphone. And that's something that you have to take note of as well. So, yeah, fit and finish. These aren't my favorite in the ear. They kind of feel like AirPods in the ear, which isn't a bad thing. I just wish it was. I'm glad that it's got the matte feel on this portion, but you know, it'd have been nice to go ahead and do the entire thing in matte. But they don't fall out of my ear, but they possibly could because there's no rubber tip on there. And these are not on the larger side, but this is a little bit bigger than I guess it's the norm. But just with no rubber tip on there, it makes a difference in how these actually will fit. So with that being said, man, a few days in with these, 72 hours or so, I think you'll be fairly happy with these. I don't think you're going to feel like you wasted $80. You may question whether or not, you know, there's any more out there that could sound better or give you a better fit. But some people love this style of earbuds. I am one of those people. I love this style of earbud. I have no quarrels with it. I like it. It's nice and compact. I like that they're black with the signature logo on here from some SoundPEATS. I think that's what just sets these apart. And they're sleek in your ear. No one will really know, depending on your skin tone, people wouldn't even know you're on a phone call or even using these. So that's another sleek thing about it. So, I mean, I really can appreciate these earbuds. And again, you can only go so deep with these earbuds. Now, one plus that these do have is their case. The case on these are phenomenal, man. I mean, this is a really solid case. I mean, it is a strong case, and I really like that. And it's nice and compact too. This can go into any pocket, any backpack. You might lose them; they're so small. But yeah, these are going to be really solid for you, and I don't think you'll have a problem with these. Different that the syncing button is on the front. I guess they consider this to be the front though, because their logo's on there. I don't know, but. Different that it's on the front right there, but you know, they synced up really fast, no problems with them at all. And you know, there's a good set of buds. What can I say, man? There's not much to say about some earbuds in 2023. Anyone pretty much can make earbuds now. But when you're dealing with a company like SoundPEATS, you're going to get quality sound. And I think that's the most important part. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.